Our planet is always moving. It spins on its axis, completing one full rotation every 24 hours. This constant motion is something we rarely think about, but it's fundamental to life on Earth. It spins like a top, maintaining a steady rhythm. This rotation is what gives us the cycle of day and night, a pattern that has been consistent for billions of years. This spin is why we have day and night. As the Earth turns, different parts of the planet are exposed to the sun's light, creating the familiar transition from dawn to dusk. The Earth turns and the sun shines on different parts of it. This rotation not only affects the light we receive but also influences weather patterns and ocean currents. We don't feel the spin because it's very smooth. The Earth's rotation is so consistent that it feels like we're standing still, even though we're moving at an incredible speed. It's like being on a very big, very fast train that never stops. This smooth motion is due to the Earth's massive size and the laws of physics that govern its movement. But what if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The consequences would be catastrophic. The sudden halt would unleash unimaginable forces. What would happen to everything on it? Objects and people would be thrown eastward at high speeds, causing widespread devastation. The very fabric of our daily lives would be torn apart. If the Earth stopped spinning suddenly, it would be like slamming the brakes on that very fast train. Everything would be thrown forward. We wouldn't just fall over, we would be flung sideways at hundreds of miles per hour. The oceans would move too. Huge waves would crash onto the land. Everything would be chaos. Luckily, this kind of sudden stop is impossible. Let's imagine the Earth slowing down over a very long time. What then? If the spin slowed, days and nights would be much longer. Imagine 6 months of daylight followed by 6 months of darkness. The climate would change drastically. The oceans would change too. They would move towards the poles. A new supercontinent would form around the equator. Section 4: Magnetic Mayhem and Geological Upheaval. The Earth is like a giant magnet, with its magnetic field extending far into space. This invisible shield is crucial for life on our planet. This magnetism protects us from harmful rays from space, such as solar radiation and cosmic rays. Without it, these harmful particles would bombard the Earth, making it a hostile environment for living organisms. The Earth's spin, combined with its molten iron core, helps create this magnetic field. This process, known as the geodynamo, is essential for maintaining the magnetic shield that surrounds our planet. If the Earth stopped spinning, the geodynamo would cease to function, causing the magnetic field to weaken or disappear entirely. This would have catastrophic consequences for all life on Earth. Without the protective magnetic field, we would be exposed to dangerous levels of solar radiation. Solar flares and cosmic rays would penetrate the atmosphere, leading to increased radiation levels on the surface. The Earth's crust, the ground beneath our feet, would be affected too. The lack of a magnetic field would disrupt the delicate balance of forces within the Earth's interior, leading to increased geological activity. Earthquakes and volcanoes would erupt more often as the tectonic plates become more unstable. The increased seismic activity would make the planet a much more dangerous place to live. In such a scenario, the Earth would transform into a very different and dangerous place. The once stable and hospitable environment would become a chaotic and hazardous landscape, challenging the survival of all living beings. Section 5: A Final Thought: The Delicate Balance of Our Blue Planet. The Earth's spin is a crucial part of what makes our planet livable. This rotation, which takes approximately 24 hours to complete, is responsible for the cycle of day and night that we experience. Without this consistent rotation, life as we know it would be drastically different. The rhythm of day turning into night is not just a simple transition. It is a fundamental aspect of the natural world that influences everything from the behavior of animals to the growth of plants. It controls our day and night, our climate, and even our protection from space. The Earth's rotation affects global climate patterns, creating the diverse environments that support a wide range of ecosystems. Additionally, this spin generates the Earth's magnetic field, which shields us from harmful solar radiation. This magnetic field is crucial for maintaining the atmosphere and protecting life on the surface. Thinking about what would happen if it stopped reminds us of the delicate balance of nature. If the Earth were to stop spinning, the consequences would be catastrophic. One side of the planet would be in perpetual daylight, while the other would be in constant darkness, leading to extreme temperature differences. This would disrupt weather patterns, ocean currents, and the very fabric of life on Earth. The delicate balance that sustains life is a reminder of how interconnected and fragile our planet truly is. It makes us ask, what can we do to protect this balance and ensure our planet remains a safe and habitable home? The answer lies in our daily actions and choices. By adopting sustainable living practices, supporting environmental conservation efforts, and being mindful of our impact on the planet, we can contribute to maintaining this delicate balance. It is our responsibility to protect the Earth for future generations, ensuring that it remains a vibrant and thriving home for all forms of life.